How to add and remove Instagram Reels from profile grid. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can add and remove Instagram Reels from profile grid, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if I open up Instagram here and then I come to my profile page, if I go to my Reels tab, I have a certain reel. This reel also shows up on my profile here. So right here you can see that particular reel also on my profile grid. So this is the profile grid and this is the Reels tab. So if I want to remove this from my profile grid but keep them on my Reels, what I can do is I can tap the three dots option, then just tap on three dots here, then I can just tap on remove from profile grid and then tap on remove. And now what this does is that it's going to remove that reel from my profile grid, but it doesn't mean it's deleted because it is still on my Reels tab. But now let's say you want to get it back into your profile grid again, but this time whenever you go to this reel and then you tap the three dots option, you can see I don't have the option to show them back from my profile grid over here. Here only the option possible is remove from profile grid, which we've already done. So how do we get this reel that we remove from our profile grid back onto our profile grid? To do this, just tap on the reel, tap the three dots, tap on delete, and then tap on delete. Now you might be getting a heart attack, but don't worry, it's not going to delete anything. We can restore them later. What we can do now is just tap the three dots option, tap on settings, tap the three dots option, and then just go to the option called your activity. Under your activity, you can just go to recently deleted tab and then tap on it. Right here you'll be able to see the reel we just deleted. Now when you tap on it and then you restore it, tap the three dots option, tap on restore. When you tap the restore option here, tap the restore reel. The magic of this is that when this reel was basically restored, so let me just confirm it with my email. I'll just tap the next option to confirm it here, and I might get an email. So if you have not turned on this option, that it will not show up in yours, but in my case I have turned it on. So I'll wait over here and then I'll just go ahead and then basically just refresh it a couple of times until I see the email from Instagram. So right here you can see verify your account. So I'll just copy it. Now remember that you might not be faced with this option. I'm facing this because I have two-factor authentication enabled. So I'll just go ahead and then restore that reel. After I restore that reel, the magic happens when I restore this reel is that I restore them. So let me just tap the option here, tap the three dots, tap on restore again to restore this reel. What happens is that when I restore them, this will actually also get restored on my profile grid. So you can see it's on my Reels tab, and the magic this time is that it is also again back onto my profile grid. So if you remove them from your profile grid, the trick here is to delete it and then restore it. When you restore it, it will get automatically added back onto your profile grid. So hope this video helps you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.